fellow YouTubers. I'm back again on a 2004 Toyota Tundra. I'm doing gear fluid, drain and fill, gear fluid replacement. Socket size for these bolts. This is the fill plug. The drain plug is right inside this little sleeve here. Socket size is 24. Torque spec is 36, what I found on the website anyways. So all right, and it does have like a little washer. You're supposed to change it new every time you loosen it or break open the bolt anyway. So change that new. That size actually fits along with the some of the Toyota's drain plug, transmission drain plug. So just to give you a heads up there, and it takes about a little over, well, it could be 3 pints, I think they call it pints. Where is it? Roughly around a little over 3 of these bottles. What is it, a pint? 32 fluid ounce. I think it is a pint. Anyways, I got 4 of them just to be on the safe side. I think I filled a little bit over 3 of those bottles. That's it. I just want to let you see how to change the gear fluid. It came out pretty clean. It doesn't look too bad. Okay. A while ago I made a video about the PCV valve replacement. I don't remember I don't think there's a torque spec for the PCV valve, but you just have to look for another website that does that. Okay. Now the drain plug and the fill plug for the gear, for differential gear that I just mentioned. There's two types of plugs. Those plugs, one of them has a magnet, so make sure that magnet is on the drain plug. The fill plug shouldn't have any magnet in there. Don't get it mixed up. If not, it won't capture any metal shavings if you got it a mixed match. So it's the same size plug, same size socket size, stuff like that. I should have shown you the plug, but fortunately I'm done with the job already. Okay, that's it. And I think the next one is going to be my drain and fill transmission fluid. Well, I'm gonna have to change the filter inside the pan also. And it's been, I think it's got like 200,000 miles on it, and the customer wants to change it. Alrighty, well, good luck. I'll see you on the next go round.